Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. On today's video, I'm going to share you on how to add text behind. And move a little forward, and this is the final. Add text. I will add the text Titanic. Click done. Click the plus arrow, check sign, and color red. Move it a little bit like this. And we will erase some part of this letters so that it will look like at behind of the object. You can make it smaller or bigger. If you want to make it big, just drag the circle one in the middle, and opacity is 39. 31 opacity is 95. If it's not looking good, guys, just adjust the opacity if you want. And let's erase some part of the text Titanic. Just erase like that, just continue doing like that. Same process as we did in our previous tutorial. Just erase the some part of the letter who is covering our picture of Titanic like that, and if it's erased, let restore again, and erase the letter C, some part of letter C, so that it will look like our C is in the back of the object. And now this is our I check it again and erase some part of it. Just continue erasing the letters. And let's choose stroke. And let's check blend. And choose gradient. Or choose blue and red, so that our color will be like this, half blue and half red, and the middle and bottom. The color is like this, and click the check sign, and this is look like our Titanic text behind the photo object. I used the picture of the Jack and Rose. I download it from Google. If you want to find something in Google, or if you want to put your pictures, then you can check also. And I will check lens flare. I will add lens flare. This is our old lens flare, so I will search something match our text. So I will choose this one. I will put it at the right top of the corner. Let's check who. I put that 287. Wait, okay. I think 302 is better. The who. Checking which place I put. And our final hue is 316. Oh wait, I'm checking. And who is 213, opacity is 100, and you can blend also if you like. And I add this one. I just searched Titanic and the stickers, and erase the part from top. If you want to erase something, then just make it smaller, the eraser, so that it will not erase your pictures all. Same like this. So I cut it out so that it will look better, not the square one, when we put it in our middle and in the bottom of the picture, something like this. And let's check the opacity. 65, clarity 42, saturation -27, hue -4, and shadows -31, brightness -57. I think we changed the opacity from 47, and temperature is 65. Tips in mind, guys, you can choose any pictures or any kind of editing you like as you are editing something. So this is the tips only that I'm making, so that you have any idea how to edit pictures or text behind the photo. And opacity is something like this. You can put the picture like invincible in the object. And this is our final picture, guys. If you see and if you get this tutorial helpful to you guys, just comment down below, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.